Great Grandma's chicken cutlets.
Smash, smash, smash. I'm smashing the meat with the meat mallet so it could be half an inch thick.
Prepare your ingredients.
I measured all my ingredients and now I'm coating the chicken. You first put it in the flour and you press. Don't be scared to push down. And if you see any edges, just like dip them in. Then go to the eggs, push down. Might be a little messy because it's like yolk. Then the other side. Then let the other egg yolks just fall off, the wasted egg yolks. Now it's time to put it in. Flip it over. And like the other parts, you could also just dab it. Then you do it again. And then you do it once. And you do it over again. Let's get cooking. I'm waiting till it's 375 degrees Fahrenheit so we can put the chicken in. My mom's helping me fry the chicken cut.
Oops, let's try this again. That's better. Tasty.